What's going on, Trader Gang? Good morning. Good morning. It's another week in the markets. We are back at it for another market breakdown for you guys. I just got back last night from LA. Had a great birthday weekend. My wife definitely hooked it up. You know, we had a great weekend. Went down to LA. Went down to downtown Hollywood. Went to Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, went to Santa Monica Pier. So definitely had a great weekend, but I'm excited to get back into the markets. The market's been moving crazy lately, especially with gold. So we're going to kind of get into it. Let's do a quick breakdown before market opens. So let's take a look at news, obviously. Let me share my screen really quick. Let me just make sure we're good on the live. All right, sounds good. All right. So let's go to this week. All right, so Monday. All right, definitely got some news here. So 6:45, we have flash manufacturing. FOMC Bostic speaks. President Trump speaks, tentative, so we're not sure when. And then 12:10, FOMC member Barr speaks. So we could see some movement in the market. Here at 6:45. So here, like 15 minutes after market open, so we may see the market move or spike a little bit. So we'll watch out for that. Tuesday doesn't look like we have much. HPI, FOMC member Williams speaks. New home sales. So even though we have these kind of orange and yellow folders, sometimes it can make the market move a little bit. Wednesday doesn't look like we have anything. Thursday, unemployment claims, pre-market. Again, we have a lot of these orange and yellow folders. So, of course, good trade balance, prelim wholesale inventories. So, again, these could move the market a little bit. Friday, we have core PCE price index. This could make the market move or spike a little bit pre-market. So, but again, if you just trade market open, don't have to worry about that rule anyways. So you can just react to how that moves. So not too much news this week, so that's good. So nice. All right, so let's get into the charts, guys. So just to update you guys, I had a 100K Tradeify account. So I'm going to start it with a new broker just to check it out. Because my guy on Instagram, Strong Trader, hooks me up with the discount code on there. So I definitely took advantage of it. It was only $45. So I am going to reset that account. So because I made a bonehead move on Friday, I was up because of how gold moved. Which I'll show you here. Obviously, like this is the move that I took. Like, look at that. That is the move that I took with that account. So I was up 3K. I was up $3,000. And this little move right here, I got into the trade again, and it ended up reversing on me. Blew the account in 10 seconds because I overtraded. I was trading 35 lots with this going down, and I went to 45 lots because I was like, oh man, if this thing keeps going down, I can pass this challenge. You know, all I need is another $3,000 and it's done. So right when I did that, it actually reversed on me, blew the account. So another bonehead move. I should have just took the 3K, been done for the week, and this week would have been a new week. But of course, I didn't do that. Greed got the best of me again, and we ended up blowing the account. So we are going to reset it again this week and keep shooting for that challenge complete. So, but nonetheless, let's take a look and see what gold did last week. I mean, we definitely tanked for sure. Let me refresh this real quick. All right. So this is a weekly. All right, so check it out. So we literally hit another all-time high, and then we literally just pulled back heavy. So, but the overall trend is still bullish. So we could definitely continue to see some all-time highs here again. So let's clear this out. So this is where we're at. So quick top down. So trend wise, boom. Trend wise, we're still bullish. So weekly is bullish. All right, so we got our trend line here. So we're going to go down to the daily here. So we can see what it did. So right now it's still bullish. So we'll do our top down analysis here. So I'm actually going to do it on the weekly because we're going to kind of mark up some psychological levels. So we're going to mark up here. First, we're at 3065. Obviously, so 3065.5. That's actually a psychological level. So we got that right there. So that's going to be our major level for us. So and then we have another level right here. So this is going to be our support. So we have our major resistance, major support. Then of course we can mark another level down right here. So this is pretty much all we need, just these three levels for right now. So I'm just going to put this as a major level. So major resistance level at 3065. So we got that. So this is going to be a major support. Major support level at so 2850 is what we need to, or actually we need to do 2845. So psychological level, boom, and then we got another level here. So here I'm just gonna mark up, 2620. Just like that. Cool. So that's what we have right here. So we just have to see what gold's going to do. So just to finish the top down analysis. So the daily. So the daily here, we did see a rejection. Because we did create a doji here. And then, of course, we did create an indecision candle. And then, of course, we had a breakthrough to the downside. So if we look here, it closed, came all the way down here, pulled back up, and closed at about 30.20. So 30.20, and then of course we closed here, or this candle right now is sitting at 30.27 or 30.28. So we got to see if it's going to continue to push down, possibly into this area here, because this is another level of resistance. So, or this was a support level turned, or a resistance level. Sorry. So now it's support. So we got to see if it's going to tap back into this level as of right now. So, but overall, the trend is still bullish. So even the daily is bullish. All right, we got 2 minutes till market opens. Let's see, 4 hour. I don't like these lines on here. I found out if you go here, change it to regular trading hours, it'll disappear. But then you have all these broken candles, which I don't like. So it's kind of weird. So, but I think if we move this to white, yeah, I don't know why we have these. It's been doing this lately. It has all these like lines, but nonetheless, so on the 4 hour, so 4 hour, we did have a break of structure here. So for that reason, I'm gonna say that the day or the 4 hour is bearish. Bearish. Okay. So weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, 4 hour is bearish. Again, because we did have a break of structure right here. So we broke this area here. Sorry, let me get a trend line. So we broke this area right here. So since we had a break of structure, it's tapping back into here, which again, we could continue to see a fall. So I'm saying the 4 hour is bearish. So again, I think that overall, we're going to continue to see some all-time highs pushing up. Probably into, since we hit 30.65, I would say probably 30.85, to be honest. So I can even kind of mark that up. 30.85. Yep. So new all-time high at 30.85. That's a psychological level. So that's pretty much it, guys. We could possibly push back into this major resistance level and then push back down, but we just got to see. So market is open right now. So as you can see here, it's already a minute into it. So we may see a push down or a push up, but because it's overall bullish, we could see some new all-time highs going forward. So that is it for gold. We can do a quick look at YM US30. Once it loads. Trading view is running a little slow. Which that's kind of odd. Come on, US30. Or trading view. Huh, that's weird. I've never had it slack like that. Let me bring up a new page real quick. Hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, TradingView is actually lagging. Well, guys, if I can't get TradingView back up, I'm just gonna have to call the video here. Okay, it looks like it's just spinning. So I apologize, guys. I can't break down US30 right now because TradingView is not loading. Um, but if you look at US30, oh, let me see here. Actually, oh, okay, there we go. We got it back. Okay, there we go. So if we look back really quick at last week, of course, the weekly was bearish, the daily was bearish, 4 hour was bearish. So let's look at the week. So it did actually that. So last week was from the 17th. So if we look here, so the 17th, we actually were bullish. We actually pushed up. So we actually stayed in this range. So we tried to pull down to that 440, 45 range, but we couldn't do it. So it pulled back and then pulled right back up. So, but all time frames where we were supposed to be bearish. So we actually pushed up. So we actually kind of did the opposite. So because I mean the overall we were overall bearish. I mean bullish. So because I think I put bearish here because we did break a structure right here, and I thought it was going to continue to push further down, but it actually pushed right back up. So these levels are actually still valid, to be honest. I mean, there's not much we need to move because the market didn't move that much. The only thing that changed was, of course, the market structure. So, of course, even with this being the way that it is on a higher time frame, so because we did have this break of structure, we did push back up and we did push above this previous candle here. So this may change a little bit. So this will actually change from bullish to bearish, or bearish to bullish. So the weekly would be bearish this time. We'll go to the daily. So because the daily pushed above this candle right here, so we're like level with it. Again, that's going to change the daily to bullish. There you go. And then the 4 hour, we can see here because we're starting a trend here. So I'm going to say we're bullish now. So it looks like we're bullish across the board. So yeah, that changed. So as long as it respects this market structure right here, where we're pushing back up, I think we're going to see these highs again. So we're going to take out these highs here. So we're definitely bullish. So I think we're going to move back up into these major highs here at 35.225. So I think we can definitely see some bullish market going forward for US30. So that's it for market breakdown. Hope you guys have a great trading week. Again, gold I can see continuing to push up because it is overall bullish. Same thing with US30. I think it corrected its market structure and it's going to continue to go up. I think it was bullish overall as well. So again, we can see some buys there as well. So we just kind of watch how the market's going to move and just follow the trends. So I appreciate you guys. I love doing these breakdowns every morning. So we'll go back to Saturday morning breakdowns as usual. I just couldn't do it last or on Saturday because of course we were out of town. But I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Or comment down below if you have any questions. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.